everybody and welcome. Today's video we're going to be unboxing our May-June Chic Beauty Box. This is a bi-monthly subscription. It's customizable. We're going to get into all the details on this box in a little bit. But if you're new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name is Rhonda, and over here we always embrace the hot mess. Warning, it is a Monday when I am filming this. I have not filmed in a few days and oh my goodness, I'm just thankful this is a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone because I'm feeling really chatty. The coffee's kicking in. I'm going to talk about my makeup on my face because I got a couple palettes in here I am geeking over that I really want to talk about with y'all. So then we'll get into the unboxing. So let's go ahead and jump on in. So I hadn't talked about this for a bit because it had been out of stock for a while, but she be back in stock, and the past few videos y'all know that I've been talking about it. This is the Makeup Geek Matrix Neutral Palette. Y'all, this palette is like gold, platinum, diamond, I don't know, whatever the highest is. You probably would like this in your collection. That's all I'm going to say there. So today I've got a couple of these like vanilla shades like mixed together. I just went with an all matte look, and then these berry tones. If you are wanting to feel like a flippin' makeup artist but you're not me, this is going to be the palette for you. It's so easy to use. Everything blends out beautifully, builds up nicely, and it's one of those things where, you know how I tell y'all when I use like a Pat McGrath palette or a Natasha Denona palette, I'm like, I feel like a Patrick Ta or like whatever, Mario, that kind of makeup artist. That's what I feel like because everything blends so nicely. Anywho, code HOTMESSMOMMAMD saves you 10%. I still swear by the liners. I'm telling you, these are like a Marc Jacobs gel slide on, but they're drugstore prices from Makeup Geek. Yep. Okay, and the other palette that I have to tell you about, because do you ever get a makeup palette or just a makeup in general? Again, mind you, I'll get into the unboxing in a second. I want to chat with y'all because it's been a few days, so I'm like, I need to chat with my friends. Anywho, do you ever get some sort of makeup product in your subscription box or what have you, and you're like, oh my gosh, this is worth, and you mentally like put a price tag on it, like $50, $60? I did that. So Blink was kind enough to send over their new Glow Getter face palette, and I did not check the price of it or anything like that. I wanted to play with it, and then my mind was, let's go ahead and make, like, what kind of price would you pay for this? So this is what it looks like. I promise we're gonna get into the unboxing, okay? I'll like pop up a timestamp for y'all, for those of you that are like, can you just get to the point? Sweetie, I'm a Gemini with ADHD. I ramble. I'm a chit chatter. I don't get to the point for a good 20 minutes, and then I bring it back. Anyhow, just did it. This has 4 blushers in it, 4 highlighters in it, and I actually mix these 3 blushers together and then these 2 highlighters together on my face, and then I have this highlighter just real like lightly on my shoulders. I kid you not, I was like, I'm gonna need backup of this. This is absolutely amazing. And in my head I was like, I would pay $55 for this palette. Y'all, it's $30 freaking dollars. That's it. It's only $30. And it has a mirror in here. And they did send me a coupon code RHONDAGLOW. It's not an affiliate code. It does not earn me anything, but it will save you 25%. RHONDAGLOW. Get yourself this. I'm serious. When I said I thought this, I really wanted backup. And I literally thought this was going to be like a $55 palette. I about myself when I saw it was only $30. And they're going to save you 25%. So thank you to Blink. Okay, lipstick, in case you're curious, of course, my Gerard Cosmetics Sugar and Spice lip liner. Code HOTMESS will save you 30% at Gerard Cosmetics. Then I have my Lorac. I don't even know if this shade is still available. It's Duchess. It's this beautiful like pinky tone nude neutral. Love that. And then of course my favorite, one of my favorite glosses by Ofra Cosmetics and Peony. This was part of the Samantha March collection. Of course, code HOTMESS is going to save you 20%. Okay, we are finally ready to unbox this box. So let's go ahead and talk a little bit about the Chic Beauty Box. So this is a bi-monthly subscription. It is for May and June 2021. This box is going to cost you $34.99. And again, keep in mind, this is bi-monthly. This is not something that you're going to receive every single month. You will receive 5 to 6 full-size makeup products every other month. And I want to say that there's like at least $100 worth of product in this box. Now this particular subscription is customizable, and this was sent over to me in PR, so I did not get to customize anything. But just know, when you sign up for the Chic Beauty Box, they do have specific dates. I don't know, to be honest with y'all, just keeping it real, I don't know what their specific dates are to go in and make your choices. However, from my understanding is they do send you out an email to let you know, hey, time to pick your picks. And I want to say you're darn near customizing the whole box. Pretty amazing. Make sure to follow them over at Chic Beauty Box on Instagram, because they also will let you know over there, hey y'all, it's time to start picking. When we jump into the box, this is what it looks like, well packaged. We do have a little card in here, and then on the card, I still haven't figured out quite yet if it's 2 different variations or this is all of the products that are going into the boxes, which I kind of feel like that is how it is. The fact that they let you customize so many different things, I think that's how it works. So the first item in here is by Nars, right? Yes, it is by Nars, and it's a kabuki brush. And y'all, this has a retail value of $55. Again, the box $34.99. I do have a coupon code. I'll pop it up on the screen for y'all. It's not an affiliate code, just a way for y'all to save like 10% off your first box. Just so y'all know, my allergies are kicking my backside. Not only do we have these cicadas or whatever the heck I call them, all my life I've called them cicadas, and my husband's like, it's not that, it's cicadas. And I was like, whatever, they're nasty and they're all over the place and I don't like. Anyhow, this has a really cool like texture feel to it. I don't know if my camera will pick that up. This would be like a really nice type of, I don't really know because I'm not a makeup artist, but I would think like under my eye or like powder or something. It says it's a kabuki brush. So there you go. That's the first item. Rare form. I know. I don't want to hear it. We keep it cute or put it on mute. Okay? All right. Moving on to the next item in here. Now, I actually did use this today for this makeup look. This is the Revlon Photo Ready Prep Set and Refresh Mist. It is 1.9 fluid ounces, and it does have a retail value of $8.99. So I use this as a prep spray, and then I had mixed both of my Huda Beauty foundations together. I used shade 300 Neutral and 320G. Use those, put them on, use my Tarte concealer, blah, 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 blah. And then I thought, oh, while I'm like getting ready to blend it in, a little too much time on TikTok, I spritzed down my face and then was like kind of meshing everything in, which, by the way, have y'all picked up your BK Beauty 101 brush? This is a foundation brush. You do. You need that. It's amazing. I have a coupon code for that too. I'll have to pop it on the screen or leave it in the description box below. Again, not an affiliate code, just a way for y'all to save money. Blended that all together, and I will say, do you remember there was like the Revlon, I think it was called Color Stay Foundation or something, or maybe it was called Photo Ready Foundation, like I don't know. But it was like somewhere in like 2014, 2013, I don't honestly know. It's my brain. We know how that works. And there was that funky smell to it, you know? Like that in my head was like, oh, this is gonna last so much longer. You know what I mean? That's the smell that this one has. Which, I mean, I guess isn't that big of a deal, but just kind of letting y'all know. The other thing that I noticed about it is, maybe it's because I have normal to dry skin, but I was expecting it to have more of like a, almost like a MAC Fix Plus, where it just kind of molds everything together, your powders and whatnot. And I didn't really feel like it did that. If anything, I almost felt like it was a little dry on my skin, and I had to bring it back. So I did go in with my Gerard Cosmetics. This is the Slay All Day Setting Spray. This is in the coconut. And then I went in with my Hourglass Veil Soft Focus Setting Spray, because this has a little bit more hydration, but I feel like the coconut just melts everything back together, and then this gives the hydration. So this isn't something that I'm probably going to reach for too often, but at least wanted to test it out for y'all. I think if you have like normal to combination oily skin, you're probably actually going to really like this. I'm spending a lot of time here, but again, I wanted to chat. The next item in here, really pretty shade from the look of the box. This is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Color Splash Lipstick. This does have a retail value of $21. It is in the shade Pink Lemonade, and look at the little component. How cute is that? Definitely like looking like an ocean or rain. Oh, this is pretty. This reminds me of like Kimchi Doll or something from Gerard Cosmetics. No scent, but that's really pretty. And I do feel like I definitely already have this shade, so I am going to go ahead and put this into a giveaway. But this is really nice. And I don't think I've tried actually the Rainforest of the Sea. Is that what it's called? Rainforest of the Sea? It is. Okay, look, y'all. Again, I told you, sinus headache, allergy headache. Anywho, I don't think I've tried their lipstick, but I have tried other Tarte lipsticks, and I do like them. The formula seems very nice. Now, on these postcards, there's no like description of the item or anything like that, but this does say that it is formulated without parabens, mineral oil, phthalates, other big words that are really hard for me because I'm me. It is gluten-free and dermatologist tested, so there you go. The next item in here, this is by Almay. What is this? Oh, that's an eyeshadow. This is, it looks like it's going to be so sparkly. Okay, so this next item is by Almay, and it's kind of like a cute little quad. Again, it's a little too light color. I feel like with Haley's complexion, this would be beautiful. So, you know, it's going to be gifted over to her. I honestly thought this was a highlighter. When I saw it, I was like, oh, that's a really pretty highlighter. Anyways, this does have a retail value of $6.99. Now, the next item, I already do have this one in my collection somewhere. So I'm not gonna swatch this one either, and I will go ahead and gift this as well. But this is the KVD or Kat Von D, as a lot of people know, Shade Light two-tone blush, and this does have a retail value of $25. I do have this one. It is very pretty. They are a nice pigmented type of formula from what I do recall, and you I don't know, it's probably getting drowned out, but it's in Shade and Light, Samson and Delilah. So that is everything in the box. Now keep in mind that you do get to customize, and there were other items that you were able to, I believe, make your choice, and it was the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Soft Matte Powder Foundation, which I think would have been absolutely amazing. It does have a retail value of $36. Other items you could have chosen was the Estee Lauder. It was an eyeshadow palette, which is $39. We had the Nars Pure Matte Lipstick, $28. Velvet Shadow Stick by Nars, $28. There was a Physicians Formula Butter Highlighter, which y'all know those are beautiful, $11.49. This is just like one customization that I could have chosen, like if this is what you were looking for, or you could have chosen other things such as Fenty, Nars, Physicians Formula, etc. Hopefully that makes sense. So, anywho, that is everything in today's Chic Beauty Box. If you enjoyed this video, please help your girl out by giving me a big thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. It does help the YouTube algorithm. Anyways, don't forget to follow me on my second channel, Hot Mess Mama Vlogs, for some plus size CoverGirl fashion hauls. I will be doing a Skims haul, which is what my bodysuit is. I love it. It's one of her newer collections that released, I think, the end of May, 1st of June or something. It's all these bright neon colors, which is just my personality. to a T. I'm also over on Instagram and on TikTok. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, notification bell. I'd greatly appreciate it. And until next time, friends, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye.